What is copywriting? Today I'll be explaining why copywriting is such in demand and why people are talking about it so much, and also how you can do it for yourself and tips and tricks that you can use. Copywriting is the process of writing persuasive or informative text so that you can promote or sell a product or an idea or a service. It's a form of marketing communications, and if you think about it closely, marketing communications agencies, they call themselves communication agencies. Why? Because they communicate a message from the brand that's paying them. So basically the communication is all of the marketing. So a copywriter makes most of that. Without a copywriter, you won't have any sorts of advertising. Every copywriter lives within an advertisement or a marketing strategy. Now, the goal of marketing is to, one, reach a potential client, and two, show them the company's message. There are many ways to do that. For example, logos, that's a visual method. Podcasts, that's an audible method. But copywriting is the art of communicating with text. So whatever you're using as a branch of marketing, you're going to need copywriting in it. Copywriters are responsible for all sorts of communication text. For example, social ads, Facebook, Instagram, print ads, TV commercials, radio commercials, highway banners, ads, website copy, social media, promotional emails, the list goes on. Now, you might think it takes ages to learn copywriting, but that's not true. You can learn copywriting within a few days. I'm not saying you'll be an expert, but you'll be learning the basics. Here's a framework that you can use while you're writing copy. The AIDA framework: attention, interest, desire, and action. Attention is based on the fact that you're taking the reader's attention. So copywriting is a powerful tool for business. Learn how to write effective copy from a professional copywriter. That's the first part. I'm writing as a copywriter for copywriters. Now I'll show you with this framework how you can use it. I've listed an example right here that I've written, and this is basically talking like my product is copywriting. So basically I'm selling copywriting to you. So what do I do to get your attention? I'll tell you a phrase right now. Copywriting is a powerful tool for your business. Learn how to write effective copy from a professional copywriter. Next is the interest. How do I grab your interest? Copywriting is an important part of your marketing strategy. If you want to succeed, you should learn copywriting now. Next, I need to grab your desire. I need to touch your desire. So what do I say to that? Learn the secrets of effective copywriting and get more customers. And finally, I need you to take action. So what do I say to have you looking for your wallet, looking for your card, and putting that in to buy something or to download my ebook or whatever I'm asking you to do? Right now, I'm going to ask you to download my ebook, and that's what I'm going to show you. I don't really have an ebook on copywriting, but it's just for the example. Get my free ebook on copywriting secrets of the top producers in the industry and learn how to write killer sales letters that sell. Now, when you have a framework like that, you know you can never go wrong. So when next time you're writing copy, try to use the AIDA framework. Next is the PAS framework. So that's the pain, agitate, solution framework. I've got another example for you. So how do I show you what pain you're actually living right now because you don't have my product? You're struggling to write good copy for your website. Now, I'm trying to tell you that that's your pain. You're struggling to write good copy for your website because that's the target audience I'm aiming at. If I were selling a copywriting secrets book like Jim Edwards, or if I was selling a copywriting ebook or a course or whatever about copywriting. Now, next is agitate. So how do I agitate you? How do I make you feel like a little bit uneasy about your problem that you have, that you can't write good copy for your website? You're not sure how to write a winning sales page for a compelling blog post. Now, I got a bit more into the details. You see, first I told you you're not able to write good copy. Now I'm telling you you're not sure how to write. I'm not telling you don't know. I'm telling you you're not sure how to write winning sales copy for your page or a compelling blog post. So now you're telling yourself, yeah, it's true. Actually, I do have these issues, because anybody that's creating a website will have these issues. They'll need to write a winning sales page or a compelling blog post. And finally, we have the solution. Learn copywriting techniques from a professional copywriter. Since the goal of a copywriter is to persuade or convince a reader to take a certain action, such as buying a product or service, copywriters need to use techniques, right? Well, they use techniques like storytelling or mastering the use of a style guide or a content brand guide or something like that. And they use these techniques to make an emotional connection between the reader and the brand, which in turn is supposed to persuade an action. Now, if you want to have the skills to deliver any message across the planet, across the internet, across anywhere, an idea, a product, anywhere across the world, copywriting might just be for you. A lot of people are making good money with copywriting these days. It's a very in-demand skill. And like I said, any section of marketing will need a copywriter. So you cannot go wrong as a copywriter. Plus, it's a really highly paid skill. Now you have to be good at it, obviously. You need some experience. I'm not gonna say you're gonna get really well paid the first year, but after a year or two, you should get good results and prove that you can make good money, because you'll have a few clients, you'll have done it for yourself, and that way you can easily share your proof. Hope you guys liked the video. I'll do some more like these. Like I said, this is a whole series, digital marketing mini series, and this was the copywriting edition. Take care, guys. Like and subscribe.